Hi,
Hi guys, how are you all?
I'm good. How are you? Hi, Miss
Good.
Priya.
Hi.
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be back. Vishant, how are you, Vishant? Vishant, you're not still in the group, right, Vishant? Yeah, I know. And that's why you did not get the message. Others got the message, right? It'll be five. I said 10 minutes, but I was able to make it. Can you wait for a minute for me? Give me a minute. I'll switch on the light and then I'll open the video.
Okay. Miss Priya, can we do ratio tables this week? Because my teacher was telling us about that, and she said we were going to do that this week, and I understood nothing of it.
What was that, ma? Repeat again.
I asked if we could do ratio tables this week because my teacher was telling us about that, and I didn't understand a word she said.
Ratio tables.
Yeah, because we have a test on it, and I did not understand any of it.
That's an easy part. We will definitely do.
Okay.
Manya, how are you, Ma? Did you have any questions in the homework?
No.
No?
Yeah, it was okay.
Okay. Vishant, was that your mom who pinked? Okay. Okay. So, Arnav, did you have any questions in the homework, Ma? Arnav, did you have any questions in the homework?
You're on mute. He's on mute.
Yeah, he's on mute and we are not able to hear you, Ma.
Oh, no, I have no questions.
Okay. Aryan, your meeting is 1 hour later, right, Aryan?
Oh, yeah, Auntie, my bad. I looked at the wrong time.
No problem. I'm just saying, doesn't matter. Okay, these are sixth graders. You'll find it very easy.
Okay.
Okay, bye
I'll
bye.
join back at my meeting time.
Sure, Emma.
Okay. Okay, Auntie.
Okay, guys, let's quickly discuss. Let's review what we learned last week and then I'll move on. But I had some questions on your homework submissions. Can I go over it?
Yeah.
Okay, two things, guys. I have given you two tests on benchmark 3 and benchmark 4. There are two tests that will be scheduled. Okay, so I can share my screen and show you. I'll tell you how I want you to get it done as well. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Vishant, you have to wait, Vishant. We are just reviewing homework and I am showing them what test they have to take. So you need to wait, Vishant. Okay. So, guys, see, grade 6 benchmark 3, there is a test. Okay. This is a timed test. Do you see it here? So, this will come up on 28th of October. Got it, guys? I really want you see when you click on that, right? See, the way it works is when you click on that, it will take you to a screen. It will load you. See, setting up this thing will come. Got it? How to take the test? You'll have to share your entire screen. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
If this doesn't come, it will just go to a timed test. I'll make it into a timed test. I don't want any proctoring on this. So you will have to take this timed test. Okay, timer will appear on top. November 3, there is one another test that's coming in. That is on benchmark 4 for grade 6. So I really want you to finish that as well. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. And did you all finish this? Many of you have not finished this test. What happened to this one, right? Sid and who else finished this?
Me.
Adrit. Okay, that's good. So did you get your scores?
No, I didn't get
Uh,
my score yet.
let the others finish. I'll email you. Does that work good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Okay, I'll email you the scores once everybody finishes. Okay, I just assigned, right? And you have time till 28th. Make sense? Okay. And
Just says benchmark 2 for me on
yeah, benchmark 2 is a test that is due on October 28th. On October 28th, another test is going to open up. That is benchmark 3. Make
Okay.
sense?
Mm-hmm. I
Benchmark.
haven't completed.
Hey, Vishant, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. I don't see you. Where are you? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So, 2 you're completing. 3 and 4 test will be up in the next 1 week. You need to finish. Make sense? Any questions, guys?
No.
Any questions till now?
No.
Okay. Okay. Now, did you have any questions on your homework as well?
No.
Okay, let's go over a few questions. I really want to go over a few questions. Let's see. I really want to review. Let's see where
See the screen. I don't see the screen.
Vaibhav, we have not yet started, right? Vaibhav?
Oh.
Okay, now I just want to review ratio rates first. Okay, how about this? How about this? I just want to see where we are from last week. Now, teachers to we started discussing ratios last week, right, guys? So, teachers
The algebra class,
teachers to students is 1:20. Okay. So
This
if
has
there are
nothing to do
45
with my
teachers,
class.
how many students are there?
This has-
Who's going to take it? Teachers to student ratio is 1:20. Now, if there are 45 teachers, how many students are there? Who's going to answer up?
Oh, I'm gonna the Sunday's class surely.
1 minute. Go ahead. So which one do you want to do? Who wants to try?
Me.
Go ahead, Sid. I'm not
I
going to
think there are
ask you.
900 students
Why do you think so? What did you do?
because if one teacher equals 20 students, then 5 teachers equals 45 times 20. And
Very
45 times 2 equals 90, and so I added the 0.
Very nice. So 900 students. Any questions on that? This was last week, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm expecting answers in chat. Okay, Vihan, I know that you joined. I'm expecting answers in chat for all the review questions at least. This was from last week. Okay, so I really want you to be able to answer in chat, each of you. Each of your answers should come in chat. Let me see, guys. This one, how about this?
In everyone chat?
No, ma. In your own chat, you can send it to me. Okay, go ahead. A store sells 4 cans for $3.60. What is the cost per can? See, this is unit rate. Let's see. I would like to get your answers in chat. Come on, guys. First, let's review and then only I'll go to all the ratio tables and what are all the stuff you have.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Vishant, if you know, you can answer as well. If you don't know, you can always tell me.
Miss Priya,
Yama.
I kind of forgot how to do the
No
rate.
problem. I can help you.
Miss Priya
Yama.
is, I think it won't.
Go ahead.
There we go. If you can't see, I did like point. If you could see it, I could make it into like a bullet point or something.
What, Amma?
I made it. I sent my answer, but like, it has like a decimal in front
That's
of
okay.
the
I
number.
can
So
say it. That's
okay.
okay. That is right. Good job. Good job, Adrit. Good job, Pranavi. Srimanya. Srimanya, you have to be careful. Dollars and cents. You are doing it right, but you're not accounting for dollars and cents. Vihan, good job. Arnav, good job. Sid, very nice. Kanishka, you need to be careful. See, Vishant, can I go ahead and explain or do you know how to do this one, ma?
I know how to do this.
Okay, do you want to answer in chat?
I I can use the chat.
You can, ma. Open the meeting chat, click on the new chat, and you'll be able to chat with me.
Oh, okay.
You're able to?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so I'm going to write out cans. I'm going to write out dollar values. Manya, I really want you to listen here. So there was one mistake that you did. So 4 cans is 3.6, right? This is 3.6. 1 can. What did I do on the can side? I divided by 4, right? So I'll have to divide by 4. Now guys, 3.6 divided by 4. Please go ahead with this division. 3.6 divided by 4 is 4 times what is 3.6? 4 times 0.9 is 3.6. So answer would be 0.9. Means what? Dollar 90 cents, right? So you should be able to say this. Manya, did you get it? $90 was incorrect. Did you understand, Ma?
Yeah.
Did you understand why?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Vishant, did you get the answer? Did you understand? I didn't get your answer, so I'm trying to understand where we are, Ma.
Oh, I forgot to send the answer.
But you understood?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Now let's try this one. Okay, let's go to this table. I really want you to do on ratio tables. Let's see. Before I go to ratio tables, I want you to do 1 or 2 more problems in this. Let's see. How about this? Okay, how about this? This is interesting. See, this one paves way to your ratio tables. Let's see. See, sometimes what happens is, as I told you last week, right? Suppose if they ask you cost of 9 cans, how will you do, guys? How will you do?
You just well, we divided we
Can.
found we
Let me
found out
4 cans is
yeah.
$3.60. First write down, write the two quantities, cans and dollar, as two columns. Then you put 4 and $3.60. But I'm asking you for 9 cans. You cannot go from 4 to 9. Ratio is all about multiplication, right? So what do you do here?
You make 4 cans 1 can, and so you know that 1 can is 90 cents. So now you do 90 cents times 9, which is
Very nice.
$8.10.
Very nice. $8.1, which is $8.10. So 1 is our intermediate, right? You can do this way, or you can do a double bar, double line, right? And I said you can put the number of cans in here, dollars in here. So let's say I have 4 cans, right? 4 cans is the same as $3.6. Now I have to find it for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's so hard for me to go from here to here. How am I to go? There's no multiplication from 4 to 9, right? So you do one thing, you bring it down to 1. Always that is easy. When you bring it down to 1, you're dividing by 4. So you divide this by 4. Same thing you do here. So that gets you to 0.9. Now 0.9 from 1, you can go easily to 9. What do? Multiply by 9, multiply by 9. What happens? 8.1. Make sense, guys? Okay, how about this? I'm going to ask you, see, that is what is a ratio table. So here when you think about it, what are you doing? You're constructing a table. You're constructing a table between what two quantities? Cans, dollars. What is given? 4 cans is given $3.6, right? Now 1, 9. This is what is us. This is a ratio table. So what you're doing? Divided whatever operations you do, you have to do the same thing in here. That gets you to 0.9. Now, how to find out what comes here? 1 times 9, 0.9 times 9 is 8. This is a ratio table. See, you're putting a table between the two quantities, can and dollars, and then filling the values in there. Now, Vishant and Arnav, are you both getting what we are doing?
Yes.
Arnav, how about you, Ma?
I understand it.
You understand it. Okay, good job. Okay, now I'm going to go into questions. Let's see. How about
Wait, for the other question, couldn't you just divide well, couldn't you just divide for 3.60? Wait. Wait. Never mind.
No, ask Pranavi. It's okay to
No,
ask.
never mind.
Make
I
a
just
class,
looked
right?
at I just looked at the table and saw times 9.
Oh, okay. So you clarified to yourself.
Yeah.
It's okay to have a wrong question. Absolutely. Okay. That is why we are here for a class. You get it? Okay. Now, I really want you guys to do. This is a good one. Let's see. This is so hard. You're going to make a ratio table, or you're going to do a double bar, or you're going to write it in columns. I'm fine with whatever process you follow. A recipe uses sugar. Okay, what are the two quantities that are discussed here, Manya? What are the two quantities that are discussed here, Ma?
Sugar and flour.
Good, nice. Sugar, flour. Do you want the two column or the double bar, Ma?
Double bar.
Double bar is easy. Okay. Sugar, flour. Let me do the double bar. 3:5 ratio. Which order is important? First sugar, then flour. Sugar, flour. So sugar is 3 means flour. Meaning I add 3 cups of sugar means I should add 5 cups of flour. That's what it means. Now the problem is they are saying 2.5 cups of flour. What is this, guys? They are saying 2.5 cups of flour. What am I going to do? I need to find out what is equivalent here. How to find out? Who can give me ideas? Adrit, you want to give me idea?
I'm good.
You're good. No, but I want you to try. Huh? I want you to try, Adrit. We can't go like this, right? It's difficult, right? So why don't I go from to 1? Is it easy to go to 1? When I
Yeah.
want to from 5 to 1, what operation was that? Divide by?
You divide by 5.
What happens here?
You divide by 3.
Divide by 5.
Oh, 5.
5. Good job. Now, I want to find out what is equivalent of this. So 1 times 2.5. 2.5 is what? 5 by 2. So same thing. 3 by 5 times 5 by 2. What is 3 by 5 times 5 by 2?
3 2s.
Good job. Vishant, good job. 3 by 2. So you need 3 by 2 cups of sugar for 2.5 cups of flour. Make sense, guys?
Wait,
When I put this into a ratio table, what happens? I want you to know what are ratio tables. So important. Let's see, sugar, flour. When you think about it, how can I put this into a ratio table? Flour 1, sugar 3 by 5. Then 2.5, 3 by 2. This is a ratio table. Again 3, 5. See? So from 5, always guys remember whatever be the number, you can come to 1 and then go up. That's the easiest part about ratio table. If you don't know how to fill the ratio table, come to 1. Let's try. How about this? I will give you hard ones, not now though. Let's see. How about this? You're going to complete this ratio table for me, okay? What is a ratio table? See, now paint, water, total. Paint, water, total. Paint and water is in some ratio. Paint and water is in some ratio.
wait, hold on. But shouldn't at least one of the boxes, shouldn't at least one of them be full so that we know, what the thing is?
Should that, wait, let me check.
Because, wouldn't that kind of make more sense?
Here they have just, okay. Would that make more sense to have one row completed?
Yeah. I think it would.
Yes, I would say yes. Give me 1 minute. Okay, how about this? Yes. So let's not go with that. How about this? Can you complete this ratio table? Ratio table means, see what? As I said, right, the double bar can just be converted to a ratio table as well. So here we have a ratio table between pencils and erasers. They are in a particular ratio. For every 4 pencils, meaning there are 4 pencils, I add 6 erasers. Now, there are 10 pencils. I'm adding 15 erasers. Now, if there are 16 pencils, right? Wait, please don't shout out your answers, guys.
Yeah,
I
I
only
was
want your
saying.
answers in chat so I understand who knows what first. Vishant, good job.
Oh, what is the missing? What's the question mark?
Yeah, exactly. Kanishka, are you able to follow the ratio table now?
Maybe like kind of.
Kind of. See,
Can
okay.
you repeat the question?
See, for every 4 pencil, there are 6 erasers. For 10 pencils, there are 15 erasers. There are 16 pencils. How many erasers should be there is the question. See, think about from 4 to 16 or 10 to 16. Can you have some multiplication like this? Times 4? Times 4, see?
Oh,
What is the answer, Kanishka?
4.
Huh?
Twenty-
Kanishka, what is the answer? Good job, Anya. Good job, Vishant. Go ahead.
24.
24. Okay. So I really want to
How?
go a little further. See, last week when we did other problems, you were finding it tough, right? So let's see this one.
Wait, how did she get 24? I don't get it.
4 multiplied by 4 is 16, and 6 multiplied by 4.
Oh,
Who didn't get it? Who didn't get it?
Izzy.
Easy didn't get it?
Yeah.
Easy, see here? Did you get it, Easy?
No.
No. 4. How did it become a 16? Times 4.
Four.
Same thing you do here, right?
Oh,
You
so.
got it?
Oh, okay. I get it.
Suppose if they did not give you this,
Mhm.
right? From 10 to 16, you can't come, right? So go back to 1. You divide by 10. Go back to 1. It becomes 15 by 10. Always simplify fractions. Then it becomes 3 by 2, right? And after that, what do? 1 times 16. 3 by 2 times 16. That will be 24. Make sense?
Miss Priya. Yeah. Miss Priya,
Now,
can I like show what Parvini taught me? Because she taught me something else and I'm kind of getting a bit
Go
confused.
ahead. You can show me.
Okay, so basically she taught me like to make this a fraction. She taught me to like do this 6. Wait, what? 1 second.
Go ahead, guys.
My thing's disappearing. Oh,
Go.
it's back all of a sudden. Okay.
Go ahead. I have more harder problems which I want to do.
Okay, she would make me do that, and then she would like make me like simplify it into like its simplest form. So like
Yes, you can do that.
1/3,
Mm-hmm.
and then she would make me like.
Ma, it is not 1/3, ma. 4 by 6 is not 1/3, right?
Oh, right, my bad.
2/3.
Yeah, you have to be careful, right?
Yeah, 2/3. My bad. Sorry.
Go ahead.
2/3, and then she made me do something else, but I forgot that part. And so now I'm kind of like confused.
You are kind of confused. Can I go ahead with it?
Yeah.
No, why did you erase it? Don't erase it.
Oh, you want that back? Okay.
Yeah, I want that back. So, see, the same operation. Again, it's equal fractions, right, ma? So, you divide it by 2, divided by 2. Now, again, you put it equal to. Now, 16 by what they're asking. It's just the same thing. So, how to do this? See, 2 can become 16 by some multiplication. Is 16 a multiple of 2? Times?
Yeah. 8, yeah.
So same thing times 8. You got it? Whatever operation you do to the numerator, you should do to the denominator.
Oh,
Miss Priya.
Whatever operation you do for one pencils, if you multiply by 2, erasers you have to multiply by 2.
You-
Make sense?
okay, but
You
I
could
have
also.
I have another question. What if instead of 16 they only gave us 24, then what would I do?
What do you do? You tell me. They gave you 24. Did they give you
Times 4, times
times
4.
4, right? Times
Oh,
4.
so I would just do the same thing?
Yeah.
Except
Wait, so
I would have
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
if you divide 10 by 5, which would be 2, and
Yeah.
15 divided by 5, 2 times 8 is 16, so 3 times 8 would be 4.
Yes. This will be 7.5 erasers. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try a few more, ma. How about this? I'm going to make it a little tough. Let's see. How about this? Ah, this is a good one. I'm going to give you this, okay? Let's see. Let's see. Let me wait and see whether you're able to solve. Who's able to solve? Okay. Ratio of candies that I and my friend have is 3:5. If we have 32 candies in all, how many candies do I have? This is a tricky question. This is a continuation of last week. Basically, for every 3 candies that I have, the order is important. My friend has 5 candies. So I'm telling that we have 32 candies in total. Who's going to try telling me? Please answer in chat. Then I'll pick out the person who has the answer and then I'll ask them to explain. Go ahead.
I answered.
See, some of them are hard. Srimanya, have you answered? Sid, that's correct. Vishant, that's correct. Vihan, how do you say that? Can you educate me?
That wasn't my answer for this one.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. You can't do this. Definitely you can't. Go ahead.
I sent my answer.
Hmm?
I sent my answer.
Good job, Vihan. Pranavi, good job. Adrit, good job. I'm just Arnav, if I don't keep getting answers, it's a problem. It's a big concern for me. Srimanya, how are you saying it as 4? Can you tell me?
I did 3 plus 5 divided by 32.
Correct, ma. See. Okay. Manya,
Yeah?
basically, I'm splitting up into how many parts? 8 parts. Total is 8 parts. Last week we discussed this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Now, totally 8 parts, right? And there are 32 candies. So, what is contained in each part? That I did not ask. 4 candies are contained in each part. But how many candies do I have? I have 3 parts with me. So, how much do I have?
12.
12. Good job. Arnav, I'm not getting answers from you. I don't know why. Okay. Now, how about this? This is a tricky question. Paul is 12 years old. Slightly tricky, guys.
I sent the answer for the last problem.
His dad is thrice as old as he.
What is thrice?
What is thrice means 3 times. What is the ratio of Paul's age to his father's age in 6 years' time? Try, guys.
I said my answer.
The harder
I don't
problem.
understand this problem.
Okay.
I
It's
said
mine. I said mine.
I don't understand this problem.
I will.
I don't understand either.
It's really easy, guys.
Guys, I don't want you to be rude, ma. It's okay. If somebody doesn't get it, we are going to help out each other.
Oh, no, go, no.
How did you get Adrit, the second one?
I multiplied.
See, 1 minute, 1 minute. What is the question? Srimanya and Adrit, what is the question? Ratio of Paul's age to his father's age. I never asked anybody's age. I'm asking what is the ratio of their ages.
Cause I like 12 plus in 6 years, Paul's
Good
age
job,
would be
Vishant.
18. So I multiplied that with 3 and I got 54 for his dad's age. But like it says Paul's age to his father's age in 6 years.
Paul's age is 12. Let's do it now. Paul's age. Paul's age is 12. What is dad's age?
His dad's age is 36.
36. In 6 years, how much will it be?
It'll be 18. Paul's age will be 18 and his dad will be 54.
No. 36 plus 6 is
Um
42.
42.
So the ratio of Paul's age to daddy's age in 6 years is 18 is to 42. But as I said, you have to simplify and tell, right? Divide by 6, divide by 6, 3 by 7. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Coming to this one, how about this? I can save $100 in 2 weeks. 120 weeks. Okay. I have to save $255. How many weeks will it take?
Wait, can we go back to the other question for a second?
I don't know if I can. Let's do this and then go back because I just erased everything. Let me see. But I can, yeah.
I'm a little bit confused because I just did the math. And so basically, Paul turns 18, right?
Yeah, Paul goes
And-
to 18, yes.
Yeah, but his dad is 36 right now. So
Yeah.
we do 36 times 6, right?
Plus 6, ma. Because in 6 years time means he's going to be 6 years older. That's all.
Oh, right.
Got it? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
I can save $120 weeks. See, then you have to do the ratio. What are the two quantities that are being compared here? Dollars and weeks. Put a column. Dollars, weeks. What are we going to do? Done? Done, na?
No.
I sent my answer.
I'm confused.
You're confused.
What happened to everybody, chat?
Nothing happens. You can go ahead. I want to know, Vishant, what did... Vishant has a different answer. Srimanya.
I don't get it.
Vishant and Sid, you got it.
Did I get it?
Yes, Arno, you got it. Good job.
Yay.
So can you explain? Vishant, can you explain?
Sure.
So since you save $100 in 20 weeks, we can divide 100 by 20.
So you want to divide. Okay. He's bringing the weeks to 1. In 1 week, how much will you save?
$5.
Good. $5. Nice. Go ahead, Vishal.
So then if you have to save $255, I'm gonna divide that by five.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
And then there's 51. So
Very nicely explained. Good job.
and that's the answer, 51 weeks.
Good job. So times 51 times 51. Make sense, guys? So he will take 51 weeks to save $255. Adrit, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Okay, let me see. How about this? I can pack, this comes to rate. I can pack 7 boxes in 15 minutes. Okay. At the same rate, if I keep on working at the same rate, how many boxes can I do in 2 1/4 hours? That's tricky. See, in ratio, like I said last week, all the units should be the same. The units should be the same.
We'll get this question.
I answered.
Nice, Sid. Manya, I want you to draw the table, Amma. Vishant, good. This time, Sid, do you want to explain?
Oh, Miss Priya, I don't get this question.
Okay.
Think about it. Draw the double box.
So, there you have 7. You have 7. You can pack 7 of those in 15 minutes. So, how many can you pack in a quarter hours? So 2 and 1/4 hours. So first, in 15 minutes, well, 15 times 4 is 15 minutes times 4 is an hour. So then 15 times 8 is 2 hours, and so 15 times 9 is 2 and 1/4 hours. So when you do 15 times 9,
So how did you get that? Wait, Sid. 2 1/4 hours. How did you convert to minutes?
I converted to minutes
2
because
hours,
1 hour is 60 minutes, and so 2 hours would be 120 minutes, and 1/4 of an hour is
15 minutes.
Yeah.
So how many total minutes?
135, and
135.
15 times 9 equals 135. So
So
now that you did
135 minutes, I have to count, right? So
So
for
now that you did 9 here, you also do 9 here. 63.
63 boxes. Did you get it, Manya? Did you
Wait,
get
let
it?
me.
Did I get it correct?
I gave you the answer, right, Arnav?
Yeah.
Did you get that? Then why do you ask here?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Arnav,
I knew it, but I
you
was
got it right, Amma. Can I move on?
yeah.
Yeah.
Kanishka, you have to look at what is the question asked. Whenever it is ratio, you have to answer in ratio. Make sense? Whenever it's not ratios, numbers means you have to answer in as a number. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how about this? Equivalent ratios means you're going to find equivalent fractions. Does that sound like a plan? Okay, let's try this one. See, this is a little tricky, but I want you to be able to do this. Okay. Okay, let's see. How about this? You're going to fill in the ratio table. How about this? When ratios are equal, when two ratios are equal, let's consider half. That's the same as 50 by 100, right? I can call this as one ratio, this as one ratio. If I make them equal, when two ratios are equal, then this I call it as a proportion. Vishant, have you studied proportions?
Not yet, but I know how to do.
That's nice, yeah. So when two ratios are equal, it's called as a proportion. Now, they're just equivalent fractions, guys. See, whatever you do to the numerator, you do to the denominator. Make sense? Let's see now. Go here. Complete the table. So let's say this is A, B. Can you do that for me?
Just A and B?
Yes, ma. What is it?
I said just A and B.
What just, yeah, I just want A and B. It's a little tricky. Apples, oranges, totals. You have one full ratio here. You can first simplify that.
Oh, you just wanted A and B. Okay, hold on.
Yep.
Then I deleted my answer.
See, the best thing to do here is go to what? What number? Going to what number helps? Ah, is it so, Sid?
Oh, I got it.
I don't think so, right, Sid?
You mean just for A and B, or do you mean like all apples to all total?
I just asked you for A and B. If I will help you if I see that any of you didn't get it. Good, Vishant.
I sent mine.
Good job, Sid. Not really easy.
Oh.
How did you get that, Sid? Can you tell me how you got that? 6 and 15.
12. If 12 apples is 8 oranges,
correct.
Then that means. Oh, wait.
Sid, can you please be careful? Redo. Vihan got it. Vishant got it. Easy.
I don't understand it.
I told you, right? There are two things. Okay. The ratio is given. My problem is what number can you go to? Can you go to a 2 easily? 2 is easy, right?
Yeah.
Go to a 2. What did I do? Divide by 6, right?
6. Yeah.
Here, can you go to a 2? Can you have to do the same division by 6, right? 8 by 6 is what? 4 by 3, right? Similarly, division by 6 is 10 by 3 here. Now what happens? 2 should become 18. So times 9. So here it would be 4 by 3 times 9. What is 4 by 3 times 9? 12.
3627.
Yeah. Here,
Or
what happened? You
it's 30.
multiplied by 9, right? You're multiplying by 9. So B would be 10 by 3 times 9, which is 30.
Another way I did it
Go ahead.
was 12 divided by 2 is 6.
That is a
And
good one. Actually, going to a 6 is a
6.
good one. Divide by 2
And
is
then
6. This
that one
divide by
divided by
2 is
2 is
4.
4.
This
And
divide
then
by 2 is 10.
10. And then 6 times 3 is 18. 4 times 3 is 12. And 10 times 3 is 30.
Did you guys get it, guys?
I did it that way because it was more
Yeah,
easy.
it's easier, yes. But you need to identify that number. Okay, how about this? You know what is called as unit rate? How many of you know what is a unit rate is?
Oh,
Unit rate, what is unit rate?
never mind.
What is
I thought you said unit fraction.
unit rate?
Yeah, I don't know.
Unit rate means you have to make the denominator 1. Make sense? The second ratio that you have, right? The denominator ratio that you have should be made equal to 1. Vishant, do you know what is unit rate?
No.
Okay. So let's say I'm saying unit rate. Unit rate means, I'll show you first. I'll first explain and then go. See, if I say 400 miles in 4 days, how do I write that ratio? Ratio means miles by days, right? I'm doing it that way, 400 by 4. Now, if I want to find the unit rate means here the number of days, the denominator should be made as 1. That means I travel 100 miles in 1 day. Make sense, guys? This is called unit rate. Unit for 1 day. For 1 day, how many miles I have to calculate? Always the denominator should become 1 if they ask you for unit rates. How about this? You're going to calculate this. A car travels 156 miles in 3 hours. A train travels 312 miles in 4 hours. What are their unit rates? What are their unit rates? Unit rate here is expressed as miles by hour. Miles by hour. Distance by time. I don't know whether you have studied this. Distance by time is the speed of the car or the train. Distance by time is the speed of the car or the train.
Wait, Miss Priya?
Go ahead.
So I don't know if I'm completely right, but my sister taught me this one method of like
Let me
trying.
wait for everybody to answer. Then let me ask you, Pranavi, is that okay?
Yeah, but it's not like the answer. It's just like something related to speed, distance, and
I
time.
do not understand this.
You do
Yeah,
not.
me neither.
Okay. Adra, did you get it?
Thought I got it, but like I'm stuck in the middle.
You're stuck in the middle. Okay. Sid, did you get it?
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
I think so.
Okay, I'll wait. Yes, ma, please go and come back quickly.
Did I get it right?
I can check. Yeah, that's right. Good job. But can you answer the second part of the question? Ratio of the car speed to the train speed. Ratio of the car
sorry.
speed to the train speed. Nice Arnav. Nice Arnav.
Yeah.
70.
Yeah, that's correct. But Arnav, I told you, right? You have to simplify and then only tell the answers. You cannot just like that say.
Oh, yeah. Mhm.
Miss
You
Priya,
should
can I use the
simplify.
bathroom?
Yeah, yes, you can go ahead and come back quickly.
I did the second question.
4 divided by 2.
Yeah, but okay, good. Sid, but I want you to simplify. When you say the ratio of car speed to train speed, you should simplify and tell me.
Two.
Vishant, is that right, Vishant?
Is this correct?
Vishant, I think you missed it a little bit. Can you check for the train?
Oh.
Train seems incorrect, Vishant.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, ma. Are now
I'll come
correct.
back.
Pranavi, I'll help you. Are now correct. Shri
Yeah.
Manya. Manya, how did you get ma 26 and 39? Manya, can you tell me how you got it?
So I simplified 156.
See, miles, double bar is easy for you, you're saying. When you do the double bar, did you do like this? 156 is 3 hours, right?
Mhm.
What to do now? You have to find the unit rate, means your denominator has to go to 1. So what operation was it, Manya?
Divide by 3.
Yeah, did you do that?
Yeah.
Divide by 3. What was the answer?
52.
Uh-huh. But you got a different answer,
I
right?
think I simplified it by 2. I think I
Divide
got that one wrong.
by 2. Yeah, but did you understand your problem?
Yeah.
No, the
I did
problem
that.
for me, yeah.
I simplified it by 2, so I did 2, then minus 4, then 12. That's why I got 26.
How? Come again?
I did 52 divided by 2
Why 52 divided by 2, ma?
to like simplify.
But it is already 52 divided by 1, right? How can you simplify that? Ratio means one quantity to another quantity, right?
Mhm.
Meaning, yeah, you have, see, I said the time has to become 1. If the time becomes 1, the distance becomes 52. 52 by 1 is correct, right? Now, unit rate means denominator should always be 1. What is the numerator they are asking?
Okay.
So, it should be what?
52.
52. For the train, they're saying again I'll draw a double bar. That says 312 miles distance, hours, 4 hours. They're asking again unit rate, right? So you'll have to bring it to 1, that is divide by 4.
4.
So 312 divided by 4 is 78.
I simplified them by 2, that's why I got that.
But you cannot, there is no simplification here, right? 78 by 1. Only when you have 2, if 2 can go evenly in both the numbers, then you can simplify by 2. But 2 can't go in 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, how about, did you guys get it? Okay, Vishant got it. And ratio, what is the ratio of the car speed and train speed, Vishant? What is the ratio of car speed to train speed? No,
I
that
sent my simplified answer.
Vishant, that was a question for you.
26 to 39.
Yeah, yeah, good job. So they're asking, we found out that the unit rate was 52 and 78. 52 miles per hour for
Yeah, that's
the
what I said,
car,
but I
and
simplified it.
78, let me finish. 78 miles per hour for the train. Now, what is the ratio of car speed 52 to the train speed by 78? Here, 2 will go evenly into both, right? 26 by 39. Make sense?
Yeah.
That makes sense, guys. Okay. Now, let me go ahead. Ratio, we can make it complex as well. Let's see. How about this? Reverse ratio. Let's see. How about this?
think someone left.
What, ma?
I think someone left.
Yeah, Vishant left.
Okay.
Yeah, I
How
think
about
so.
Probably left because it's already like 7 or something.
ratio of the sides of a rectangle? Okay, how about this? This is a difficult one, let's see. How about this? If they give you this, what will you do? This is a harder part of the question. Let's see. What will you do on this? Go ahead.
Um,
Go ahead, guys.
oh, this is kind of easy.
It's kind of easy.
Kind of.
Okay, fine. Go ahead. Ma, algebra 2 kids, you're going to wait for another 5 minutes, please.
I sent my answer. Wait, do I have to simplify it?
Always. You don't have
Okay.
to ask. What is the question, Siddh? There is no ratio that's asked, right?
Okay, never mind. I don't understand this like at all.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuck.
Yeah, think about it. The rectangle, right? Length, width, right? It's in the ratio 5. For every 5 length, there is a width of 3. If
Did
it
I
is
get it
10,
correct?
wait, I'm explaining, right? If it is 10, this should be 6. If it is 15, this should be 9, right? But the perimeter is 64. What is that? So how many total parts? Length and width for the perimeter means there is one more length, one more width, correct? There is one more length, one more width, correct? So how many total parts make up the perimeter? This is 5 parts, this is 3 parts. Always think of parts in ratios. This is length is 5 parts, width is 3 parts. So how many total parts, guys? How many total parts? How many total parts, ma? Guys, you have to answer.
4. Oh, yeah, 8.
8, no, right? See, this is 5 parts. This is 3 parts. Again, you have one more length, one more width, right? So how many total parts in perimeter?
16?
Huh?
16.
Yeah, 16.
How did you get that?
Because 5 plus 5 is 10, and then 3 plus 3 is 6.
Good.
So that's
5 parts. Again, another 5 parts. 10 parts.
so,
3
and
parts and
then
3 parts. 16 parts are there. So let me draw a rectangle. 16 parts make up
um
Wait, is this the correct answer?
16 parts make up 64.
yeah.
16 parts make up 64. Vishant, are you able to do this problem?
Yes.
What is the answer, ma?
1 minute, I'll calculate this.
Vihan, good job. I think you understood. Nice. So now 16 parts are making 64 centimeters. So what will each part be? What will each part be? What is each part?
4?
See,
4?
there are 16 parts that make up 64 centimeter. 16 parts are making up 64 centimeter. What is one part? One box
4.
is how much?
4.
4. Good job, guys. 4. Now what is now? Okay. Now, what is the length then? What is the length of the rectangle? How many parts make up the length? What is the length?
5.
5.
What is no 5 parts? What is the length of the rectangle?
20.
20. 5 times 4,
Oh.
20. What is the width of the rectangle?
12.
12.
Wait.
Yeah, 3 parts, right? Each part is 4, so 12. Now, what is the area of the rectangle?
240.
20 times 12, which is 240. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'll stop here and I'll let you go. Vihan, did you get that? Okay, good, Vihan. Okay. I'll talk to you, Vihan. Yama. Any questions for me? Stay. Otherwise, you can log off.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Miss
Bye. Your homework will be on ratio
Bye.
tables and one challenging piece on ratios.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Hi, guys. How are you all? Guys, if you don't mind, you give me 2 minutes. Let me stop the recording started, but please wait for 2 minutes.